In today's world, the need for sustainable and affordable housing has never been more important. Tesla, the renowned electric vehicle company led by visionary entrepreneur Elon Musk, has taken a step towards addressing this need with their innovative Tesla tiny homes. These compact and energy-efficient homes are designed to provide a sustainable living solution that is accessible to a wide range of homeowners. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore everything you need to know about Tesla tiny homes. From their renewable energy sources and cutting-edge technology to their affordability and versatility, we will delve into the features that make these homes a game-changer in the housing industry. Join us as we uncover the details of Tesla tiny homes and their potential to revolutionize sustainable living. The concept of Tesla tiny homes revolves around creating compact and energy-efficient living spaces that are powered by renewable energy sources. These homes are designed to minimize carbon emissions, reduce utility bills, and provide a comfortable living environment. Tesla's commitment to sustainability and innovation is evident in their approach to housing, as they aim to offer a solution that is both environmentally friendly and affordable. One of the key features of Tesla tiny homes is their reliance on sustainable energy sources. These homes are equipped with solar panels that harness the power of the sun to generate electricity. The solar panels are strategically placed on the roof of the homes to maximize their exposure to sunlight and optimize energy production. The solar energy generated by the panels is stored in Tesla Powerwall, a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. This innovative battery system allows homeowners to store excess energy produced during the day and use it during times when sunlight is not available, such as at night or on cloudy days. By utilizing renewable energy sources, Tesla tiny homes significantly reduce dependence on traditional power grids, resulting in lower utility bills and a smaller carbon footprint. Tesla tiny homes are designed with an emphasis on energy efficiency, ensuring that homeowners can enjoy a comfortable living environment while minimizing energy consumption. These homes incorporate advanced insulation materials and thermal barriers to prevent heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. Additionally, Tesla tiny homes utilize LED lighting fixtures throughout the interior, which are known for their energy efficiency and longevity. The use of efficient appliances and fixtures further contributes to reducing energy consumption, making these homes an excellent choice for environmentally conscious individuals. Tesla tiny homes are not only sustainable and energy efficient, but they also offer a high level of versatility and adaptability. These homes can be customized to meet the unique needs and preferences of homeowners, allowing for a personalized living space that suits individual lifestyles. The modular design of Tesla tiny homes enables homeowners to add or remove modules as needed, making them ideal for various living arrangements. Whether you are looking for a single-family home, a guest house, or even a multi-unit housing complex, Tesla tiny homes can be configured to accommodate your specific requirements. When it comes to building sustainable homes, durability and resilience are crucial factors. Tesla tiny homes are constructed using high-quality materials that ensure they can withstand extreme weather conditions, including hurricanes and earthquakes. The walls of these homes are made of steel, concrete, and styrofoam, providing strength and insulation. The roofs and floors are constructed using laminated panels, making them sturdy and capable of withstanding heavy loads. These features not only enhance the longevity of the homes, but also contribute to their overall energy efficiency and sustainability. One of the primary goals of Tesla tiny homes is to make sustainable living accessible to a wide range of homeowners. While the exact pricing may vary depending on customization options and additional features, the starting price for a Tesla tiny home is set at an affordable range. This makes it an attractive option for individuals looking to embrace sustainable living without breaking the bank. Tesla's commitment to affordability extends beyond the initial purchase price. By harnessing the power of renewable energy and reducing utility bills, Tesla tiny homes offer long-term cost savings that make them an economically viable choice for homeowners. While Tesla is known for its innovative technology and visionary leadership, the actual manufacturing of Tesla tiny homes is carried out by a company called Boxable. Boxable is a construction startup that specializes in creating easy-to-assemble residential units, including the modular homes used in Tesla's tiny house project. Boxable's expertise in modular construction allows for efficient and streamlined production, ensuring that Tesla tiny homes are built to the highest standards of quality and durability. The partnership between Tesla and Boxable is a testament to their shared vision of creating sustainable, affordable, and adaptable housing solutions. As the demand for sustainable housing continues to grow, the potential impact of Tesla tiny homes on the housing industry cannot be underestimated. By offering a combination of renewable energy, energy-efficient design, affordability, and adaptability, these homes have the potential to revolutionize the way we approach sustainable living. With Tesla's commitment to innovation and Boxable's expertise in modular construction, the future of Tesla tiny homes looks promising. As technology advances and the demand for sustainable housing increases, we can expect to see further developments and advancements in this space, ultimately leading to a more sustainable and environmentally conscious future. Conclusion: Tesla tiny homes represent a significant step towards sustainable and affordable housing solutions. With their reliance on renewable energy, energy-efficient design, versatility, and affordability, these homes offer a compelling alternative to traditional housing options. By harnessing the power of innovation and technology, Tesla is paving the way for a more sustainable future. Whether you are a homeowner looking to reduce your carbon footprint, an investor seeking sustainable investment opportunities, or simply an advocate for sustainable living, Tesla tiny homes provide a glimpse into the future of housing. As we continue to prioritize sustainability and environmental consciousness, the impact of Tesla tiny homes on the housing industry is poised to be transformative.